We're building one small to-do module from plain JavaScript to fully typed TypeScript live, and every core TypeScript feature will show up naturally along the way. Step 1. The bug in plain.js. Here's a normal JavaScript function. Nothing wrong with it until someone calls it wrong. Function add todo, todo's text. Todo's push, id todo's length +1. Text done false. Const todo's equals. Add todo, todo's buy milk. Add todo, todo's 42. No warning, crashes later. Step 2. Add an interface. We describe the shape of a todo once as an interface. Interface todo, ID number, text string, done boolean. Step 3. Type the function. Now we type the function signature using that interface. Function add todo, todo's text, string, void. Todo's push ID todo's length +1, text done false. Const todo's equals. Add todo buy milk, ? No squiggly red instantly. Step 4. Inference. Don't over-annotate. Watch what we don't have to type. Inside the function, ID, text, and done are never annotated. TypeScript already knows their types from the todo interface. Let count equals todo's length. Inferred as number, no annotation needed. Step 5. Union type for status. A plain boolean is too limited. Real todos have more than 2 states. Replace done with a union type. Type status equals active, done, archived. Interface todo. ID number, text string, status, const t, todo equals 1, text, ship it, status shipped. Error, shipped is not assignable to type status. Step 6. Optional field. Added due date but make it optional with a ? Not every todo needs one. Interface todo ID number, text string, status, due date string. Const t1 todo. ID 1, text, ship it, status active. ? Const t2, todo equals launch, status active, due date 7/1. ? Step 7. Compile it. npm install TypeScript, npx tsc todo ts. Produces plain todo.js. 0 TypeScript left at runtime.